Advantages of cars. 1. Convenience. Cars provide personal mobility and convenience, allowing you to travel whenever and wherever you want without relying on public transportation schedules. 2. Time saving. Cars generally reduce travel time compared to public transportation, as they offer direct routes and flexibility in choosing your path. 3. Comfort. Cars provide a comfortable and private environment, shielding you from external weather conditions and other inconveniences. 4. Privacy. You have control over your personal space and privacy when traveling in a car, which can be especially important for longer journeys. 5. Storage. Cars allow you to carry goods, luggage, and other items conveniently, making it easier to transport belongings compared to other modes of transport. 6. Accessibility. Cars can take you to places that may be difficult to reach by other means of transportation, opening up opportunities for exploration and travel. 7. Safety. In many cases, cars offer a safer mode of transportation compared to other alternatives, especially in certain weather conditions or areas with limited public transportation options. 8. Independence. Owning a car provides a sense of independence and autonomy, giving you the freedom to make spontaneous trips or run errands without relying on external services. 9. Family and group travel. Cars accommodate families and groups more comfortably than public transportation, allowing for shared experiences and bonding during journeys. 10. Job opportunities. In many regions, access to a car can significantly expand job opportunities, especially those requiring travel or commuting to locations not well served by public transit. Disadvantages of cars. 1. Cost. Cars can be expensive to purchase, maintain, and operate. This includes costs for fuel, insurance, maintenance, repairs, and registration fees. 2. Depreciation. Cars lose value over time, with depreciation being a significant factor that impacts the overall financial investment in owning a car. 3. Traffic congestion. Cars contribute to traffic congestion, especially in urban areas, leading to delays, frustration, and increased commute times. 4. Environmental impact. Cars are a major source of air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions, contributing to environmental issues like climate change and poor air quality. 5. Parking issues. Finding parking spaces can be challenging and expensive in densely populated areas, adding to the overall inconvenience of owning a car. 6. Safety risks. Car accidents are a leading cause of injury and death globally, highlighting the inherent risks associated with driving and car ownership. 7. Sedentary lifestyle reliance on cars can discourage physical activity, leading to health issues like obesity and cardiovascular diseases. 8. Stressful driving. Commuting by car can be stressful, especially during rush hours or in heavy traffic conditions, negatively impacting mental well-being. 9. Dependency on oil. Most cars rely on fossil fuels, contributing to the depletion of non-renewable resources and geopolitical tensions related to oil production and distribution. 10. Urban sprawl. Car-centric urban planning can lead to sprawling developments, contributing to the decline of public spaces, increased distances between destinations, and dependence on cars for mobility. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.